tips for getting kids to try new foods when others in the family can't eat them. Oh, that's a great one. I'm assuming, let me know, Kristen, type it in for me, but I'm assuming they can't eat them because of a food allergy and intolerance, that sort of thing. But perhaps they're able to prepare them or take special precautions, gloves, etc., to prepare them for the child. There might also be a situation where somebody can't eat a food because it just had some dental work, or they're older and they're on a softer diet, something like that. So there are a lot of reasons why that particular person can't eat the food. It might just be that they haven't learned to eat it either, yet they want their kid to start learning to eat it. Yeah, I do have some tips around that. Let's say that it is something where they can prepare the food and present it, and we don't have to worry about any sort of anaphylactic reaction because of that type of environmental exposure. So assuming that, then that's actually something that happens all the time with me in feeding therapy. I can't eat gluten. I mean, I can have a smidge of it, but I get kind of sick from it. So I try really hard not to eat it. But most of the foods that my kids are trying to eat right now, or that they already eat, are gluten-y. So I'll have foods that I'm eating with them that are really similar. If that kid is eating a Ritz cracker, I'll have a gluten-free version of a Ritz cracker. Or if they're eating toast, I'll have some gluten-free toast. But let's say that they're eating something like a pizza and I can't bring in a gluten-free pizza right away for me. I still might have some cheese. I might have maybe some of the sauce to dip something in. But even if I don't have anything that looks like their food, I am still going to participate in that reciprocal relationship, that's kind of redundant, that reciprocal behavior of enjoying a meal together. So the most important thing that is you're modeling healthy eating and you're eating, and your child has something very different to eat, it's more about engaging and rewarding the behavior of him eating by giving him some attention. The modeling and the chewing and modeling the motor skills, you can do that with almost any food. In a perfect world, it's the same food, but it doesn't have to be. It's just a matter of doing the same behavior, the motor behavior, as well as the positive reaction on your face. The other thing too that I've talked about in other Facebook Lives and also in a lot of research in both my books is, surprisingly, one of the best things you can do, even if you can't eat the food, when you present it to your child, is to smile. There's really good research that shows that if you present a food with a smile on your face, the child's much more likely to try it. Isn't that interesting?